Good morning, my students. Dear students, how are you? I hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am your teacher, KM ZAKARIA ALOM. I am also fine. Today, I am going to teach you about suffix and prefix. That means part C, grammar portion. Suffix and prefix both are the important topic for you to make proper answer question number 9. Generally, suffix is the word which is formed with words or a group of words by connecting main word. That means root word. So, it is clear that every suffix will be formed by words or a group of words after root words. And prefix is the word which is formed by adding words or a group of words before root word. So to make meaningful word, root word, that means suffix and prefix both are necessary to make meaningful words. To make meaningful words and to make meaningful sentence. So suffix and prefix play a vital role to make meaningful passages. Suppose Bangladesh is a beauty country. Here beauty is root word, it will be suffix beautiful. So full is added with main verb or root word to form suffix. But prefix is always used before root word. Suppose he is a dishonest man. Honest is the root word, dis is prefix. There are some examples to practice. Please look at the board. Dear students, please follow attentively about the topics. A rainy day is dull and gloom. Here gloom is root word. By adding y, gloom has become gloomy as a suffix. It rains one rain day. Rain is the root word, but rainy is suffix. Additional word y is used after root word. The sky remains cloud. Here cloud is root word, suffix is cloudy. The roads become mud. Mud will be suffix muddy. The sun can hard be seen. Heart is the root word. It is hardly. Here hardly is suffix. A labor, root word. By adding er, labor has become laborer as a suffix. Cannot go out for works. His family suffers from starvation. Starve root word, starvation suffix. Even they remain fed. Fed is root word, but even is added before root word fed. So unfed is prefix. Here unfed is used as a prefix in the gap. His suffer root word, sufferings is suffix, no bounds. But to the rich, a rainy day is enjoy. Enjoy is a root word and its suffix is enjoyable. Question number 2. Haji Mohsin is famous for his kind. Here kind is root word. But kindness is suffix. Ness is to be used or is to be connected with root word kind. And honest, its suffix honesty. He was born in a wealthy, wealthy, its suffix. He was an married man. Married is the root word, but unmarried suffix. He was a social work. Work will be workers. Its root word. Work. Worker is suffix. He had contribute. Contribute is the main word or root word, and contribution is suffix. To educate. Here, educate will be education as a suffix. If you like to use contribution or contributed, anyone may use. Everybody knows about his donate. Donate is the root word. Its suffix TION, shan, that means donation. A donation is a root word. He was very helpful. By adding full, help has become suffix helpful. Here helpful is a root word. Help is a root word. Helpful is a suffix. By adding full, help has become suffix helpful to the poor. We are glad to him for his sacrifice. Here great is root word. By adding full, great has become suffix grateful. Dear students, you may follow the question number 3. A honest man is liked by all. Here, honest will be prefix dishonest. A dishonest man is liked by all. Here, like will be prefix by using these plus d. Disliked. Both, that means suffix and prefix, both are necessary here to make meaningful word. But a man of honest, here honest will be honesty as a suffix, cannot lead an pure life. Here pure is root word. By using im, it has become prefix. He leads a peace life. Here peace is root word. By using full, it has become suffix peaceful. He may be insolvent. Solve is a root word. Solve. Solve is a root word. In plus bench. Suffix and prefix both are added to make meaningful word in solvent. But he has content. Content is root word. Contentment is suffix. He was not run after worldly things. Here worldly suffix ly. He doesn't try to become rich by means of honest. Honest will be prefix. Here by adding D's. Honest has become prefix. Here dishonest is prefix. He joy. The peace of mind. Joy will be enjoy, including S. That means here he is the third person singular number subject. So S will be used. But to make meaningful word, en, enjoy. That means suffix and prefix both are necessary here to make meaningful word. Next, question number 10. Here 10 is articles. Article based questions number 10. All of you know about articles. Articles are of two kinds. Articles are of two kinds. One is indefinite and second is definite. A and both are indefinite articles and the is definite article. Before vowel, n is used in the sentence. Before consonant, a is used. But exceptional some rules are maintained at the time of filling the gaps with indefinite article. When vowel is used in the sentence as a consonant, then article a is used, such as this is a one taken note. Iron is a useful metal. Mr. David is dash European. This is one taken note. Here one is article, but its pronunciation is like consonant. So a will use before one, European, useful, union, unique, you, etc. But whenever any consonant will utter like a vowel, there will be used an honest man, an MA, an MBBS. This topic is too much easy to you, so you must follow and study about the rules of articles by textbooks, grammar too, along with reference books, etc. Next, we are going to discuss about changing sentence. Changing sentence are of different kinds. Among them, assertive to imperative, This is very important for you to understand. If any subject will be the first person, I or we, you must use let. That means whenever subject will be the first person, I, we, and third person, he, she, they, at the time of changing imperative from assertive, let will be used. Please look at the board. I go home. Here, I is the subject. I is first person, so let is necessary to make imperative. Let I will be object. After let me go home. Please follow the board. I, we equal to me oblique us. That means whenever any subject will be first person, singular or plural, subject will be third person, he, she, they. At the time of making imperative, subject will be always object. And objects will be used after let. Please see the example next. He can do the work, make it imperative. Here he is a subject, it is third person singular number, so let is necessary to make imperative. And subject will be object and will use after let. Let him. Verb will be added. Let him do the work. We should do the work imperative. Here subject we. We is the first person plural number, so to change the sentence into imperative, let is necessary. So let plus object, we will be object, let us plus verb, here do is verb, let us do the work. Here should will be out to make imperative sentence. Point sentence will be prepared or formed by second person you. Please look at the board and understand. You do the work imperative. You should obey the law. IMP, that is the shorter form of imperative. You do the work. Here you is subject. Here number 2, B, you is a subject. Here you is used in the sentence as a subject, but it is second person. Whenever any subject will be the second person, you must make the sentence imperative from verb plus object or verb plus additional words, such as do the work. You should obey the law. Here you is second person. So at the time of making imperative, verb will be the first word. That means verb plus object. Obey the law. This is the form of assertive to imperative. When the sentence of assertive will be the negative, please follow. You do not wait here. IMP. IMP is a shorter form of imperative. Here, don't wait here. You should not waste time. Imperative. Here you is second person. So sentence will be started by using don't plus verb plus tutor. To change the sentence, you must need some antonym or opposite words such as man is mortal, make it neg. Neg is the shorter form of negative. This is an assertive sentence. It will be negative by using not after auxiliary verb or be verb is, but mortal will be antonym or opposite words such as man is not shorter from man isn't immortal. He is attentive to study, make it neg. He is not attentive. The antonym of the word attentive is inattentive. He is not inattentive to study. He is very kind. He is very kind. Neg. He is not kind. Its antonym or opposite word is unkind or cruel, but very will be out of the sentence by using at all. At all will be used after sentence. Everyone of you should try to memorize the antonym of the words. That means opposite words: mortal, immortal, liquid, solid, good, bad, always, never, happy, unhappy. Remember, forget. These are necessary to make the sentence negative without changing meaning. I hope you must study and learn these words from the book. Dear students, you few months after you are going to appear at the judge exam. Your exam is knocking at the door. Your preparation should be well. By reading more and more, you will prepare yourself for your better result. Thank you.